Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 13 Town Country. There you hear the radio. Fan, horn, blinker to the left, blinker to the right, wipers. We kind of do this for you, so you know, we say we do 160 point inspection, but we just try to show it to you that we actually do. So everything works. We actually have a cable ordered for the DVD because we found that didn't work, but we ordered a cable for it. Everything works there. I'll show you the lights. My other video, I showed the power doors working. Power seat. 3.6 motors are good motors. Actually, on this inspection, we found the transmission did not be working, so it has a brand new Chrysler transmission. Price shopping, take into consideration a $5,000 brand new transmission with labor. So you see the LED lights working, so everything works on it, except for we do have to get that cable for the DVD. So any questions? 605-692-7010.